Hey, welcome to rainy Bellevue, Washington. I'm Tyler with Washington Outdoor Lighting. I'm gonna take you through our newest design. So, working on this project, there's a couple of main focuses that we were looking for. The main thing, it was just too dark out here, man. He had people leaving, they were coming, they didn't know where they were going, they were slipping at night, lots of safety concerns. So what we did is we added some of these X lights here on the side. That makes it so cars pulling in, cars pulling out, people walking in and out, it's a cake. That being said, we took it a step further and we did the accent light here on the buildings. On these pillars over here, imagine there was just no light. Now we have this beautiful stonework, the masonry showing. We can see the house number now, it's great. Another reason why we do the lighting, what the customer is looking for, is just the beauty of it. He spent a lot of money and time and thought on his landscaping. We really wanted to accentuate some of the beautiful features that are out here, especially the Japanese maples. They look awesome now. We have the canopy of the trees getting fully illuminated. The entire thing is just tied together by the work of Washington Outdoor Lighting, and that's what we do. Another main factor why the client wanted to have us come out was safety. He's got young children, and over here in this section, there's a steep drop off. You know, it's precarious. They could potentially slide down, roll an ankle, hurt themselves. So we added some extra accent lighting over here. It's gonna illuminate the space so that they can see well. And then the ambient light shows clearly where the dip is. Just makes it a lot safer. We want our clients and their whole family to be safer at their house. Over here on the side of the house, there just wasn't any light. So what we did is we installed some washers along the side here. That way when, families walking through, there's actually some light. You can actually see where you're going. They also have this very underutilized fountain. They've been wanting to use it. They're kind of on the fence about it. We added some lights to it and now this thing just absolutely glows. It's become a focal point of the property and something that they can truly enjoy. Continuing on, this is the focal point. They wanted this to be a place where they could have a gathering, where they could have friends and family over. So we've transformed all the beautiful landscaping that was done here, and it's all bright, it's all beautiful now. The main emphasis I want you to focus on is the Japanese maples. We do our washers under them, they glow, they look like beautiful glowing orbs. And then we also were able to finish his wife's Japanese garden. She spent a lot of time designing it, really wanted to see it pop. We added some lights to it, and now she can't get enough of it. Thank you for joining me for this walkthrough. I showed you really what lighting can bring to a home. We added safety, we added security, we added aesthetic, we tied it all together. That's what we do at Washington Outdoor Lighting. Until next time, I'm Tyler, and we'll see you soon.